Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create your legal pages on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can first head over to our pages right here. Now on these pages, you can actually see that we have all of these pages. As of right now, we have this privacy and policy as well as refund policy. So an example of legal pages is the terms and conditions. So what you can do is you can click on this add page right here, and then we can actually name it terms and condition. So let's name it. So once you're done naming this actual page, what you can do next is you just need to head over and then input in here the actual terms and conditions that you want available. So you can just get something drafted by a lawyer or drafted by someone higher up on your actual company, or you can also get suggestions from the actual product generator or description generator of Shopify. So this is that icon that can help you generate text. So just tell it what this page is about. So it's about terms and condition. Make sure that the tone is set to expert. After that, click on generate. And then as you can see, this will generate the content of that page. So this is actually just an option. If you want to have a really specific terms and condition tailored for you, then just use which ones is actually doable for your website. But for me, since this is just a tutorial, I'll just use in here the content created by Shopify itself, made by the AI. So as you can see, this will create my actual page. So we can just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. So once it's done loading, head over and click on the skip right here. And as you can see, I should be able to see this terms and condition that they have drafted for me. So once you have done, head over and then you have already made all of the content of your page. Make sure that this is visible, and then make sure that this is actually added in your online store on the default page of your website. Head over and click on the save right here. And then once you have done that, they should be able to be added right here. So next thing we need to do is we need to head over to our navigation. Now under this navigation, you can add this to your footer menu or the main menu. So for me, I'll just add this to the footer menu right here. And then click on this add menu item. And then I'll just name it terms and condition. And I will look for that specific page right here. So this is also named terms and condition. So I'll add this one. Then click on this add button. After that, click on save menu. And then once it's been saved, let's head back and let's view our online store. So this is what my online store will look like. So I added it on the footer. So I'll just need to scroll down. And once I have scrolled down, I should be able to see in here the actual terms and condition. But in some cases, it will take some time for this in order to finish the loading process. Alternatively, you can also add this in here on your actual header, or you can add a new menu within your store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.